Chapter 7 Introduction to Visual Basic. You will learn about Introduction to Visual Basic, starting Visual Basic, components of Visual Basic IDE, Visual Basic controls, creating a VB application, executing a VB application, creating a Windows login form and event handling, saving VB project, closing VB project. Programming means writing coded instructions or programs to instruct a computer to perform specific tasks. The computer programs written by the programmers are often known as software. In order to create a computer program, we need to use a programming language. The earliest programming language is called machine language, which uses binary code 0 and 1 to communicate with computer. However, it is difficult to learn and therefore high-level languages come in picture. Java, JavaScript, C, C++, C#, and Visual Basic are some examples of high-level languages. Introduction to Visual Basic. Visual Basic is a third-generation event-driven programming language first released by Microsoft in 1991. It has evolved from the earlier DOS version called BASIC. It provides a graphical user interface GUI which allows programmers to modify code by simply dragging and dropping objects and defining their behavior and appearance. Microsoft had released many versions of Visual Basic, from Visual Basic 1.0 to the final version Visual Basic 6.0, released in 1998. Programs created with Visual Basic can be designed to run on Windows, on the web, within Office applications, or on mobile devices. Visual Studio is the most comprehensive VB development environment or IDE, integrated development environment used for writing VB programs. As you know, Visual Basic is an event-driven programming language in which control flow of the program is determined by occurrence of events such as click and key press. We will use Visual Studio 2019, which is a freely downloadable version of Visual Basic for writing programs in this chapter. Starting Visual Basic. After installing the software on your computer, follow given below steps to start Visual Basic. 1. Type Visual Basic in the search box present on taskbar. 2. A list with related options will appear. 3. Select Microsoft Visual Studio 2019. 4. The VS 2019 Start page will open up. From this page, you can quickly open recent projects, open a project for solution, open a local folder, or create a new project. Select Create a New Project option. 5. Now, Create a New Project page will open. From this, select the Visual Basic language. Also, select Windows Forms App .NET Framework as we want to develop a Windows desktop project. Click on Next. 6. After selecting the project template, the project configuration page appears. In this page, you can type the project name of your choice in place of default name. Click on Create button. 7. As soon as you click on Create button, the Visual Basic 2019 IDE will open up with the name of the project you entered earlier at the top right corner of the IDE. You will also get a form on the screen. BrainDOS. VB is developed by Microsoft with the help of Alan Cooper and was first released in May 1991. Components of Visual Basic IDE. Following are the various components of Visual Basic IDE. 1. Title bar. Title bar shows the name of your project. By default, the first project is named as Windows Form App 1, but you can change the name of your project at the time of saving it. 2. Menu bar. The options that are required to build an application are present under Menu bar in form of menus. 3. Toolbar. The toolbar contains several buttons which provide quick access to the most commonly used functions in a program, such as creating a new project, open, cut, copy, paste, etc. 4. Main window. The area where you work to create the application is the main window. This window is used to work with forms and code editing. Tabs are opened on top of this window for every open file. 5. Form window. It is the form window on which you place various objects such as buttons, text boxes, tables, etc. for designing your application. User interacts with an application only through this form, so this is basically your GUI. 6. Solution Explorer. The area of the IDE, which displays list of various files of a project, is the Solution Explorer. By default, it is located on right side of IDE. If Solution Explorer is not visible in IDE, click on View menu and then select Solution Explorer to open it. 7. Toolbox. To view Toolbox, click on the Toolbox tab at the left edge of the screen. It contains several tools which you can use in your form to design your application. These tools are referred to as controls in Visual Basic. Every form and control contains its own set of properties, methods, and events. To add any control on the form, simply just drag and drop it to the form. 8. Property windows. This window is used when you want to change the properties of various controls placed on a form or of the form too. It contains two buttons which on selecting display the properties either category-wise or in an alphabetical Visual Basic controls. Some commonly used controls in the toolbox are as follows. 1. Pointer control. Use this control to move and resize objects on the form window. Except this control, all controls available in Toolbox are objects in Visual Basic which contain associated properties, events, and methods. A property refers to the characteristics of an object such as color, size, etc. A method is an action that can be performed on an object. Example, show method of form. An event can be thought of as an occurrence of some user-generated action applied on an object. Example, click event. 2. Label control. Use this control to display text on the form, or it can also be used for identifying a text box on the form. Some of the common properties and events of this control are as follows. Properties. Property description. Name puts the name of the label. Back color puts the background color of a label. Border style puts the border style for a label. Forecolor puts the foreground color of a label. Text defines the text that appears on a label. Events. Event description. Click. When user clicks on a label, this event gets occurred. Double click. When user double clicks on a label, this event gets occurred. Mouse move. When user moves the mouse on a label, this event gets occurred. 3. Text box control. Use this control for entering text or numeric values from the user. Some of the common properties and events are as follows. Properties. Property description. Name puts the name of text box. Max length defines the maximum number of characters that can be placed in a text box. Text defines the text to be placed on a text box. Password char used for accepting password values by defining asterisk or any other symbol you want. Events. Event description. Text changed. When value of text box changes, this event gets occurred. Click. When user clicks on a text box, this event gets occurred. Double click. When user double clicks on a text box, this event gets occurred. 4. Button control. Use this control to initiate an event when user clicks it. Some of the common properties and events of this control are properties. Property description. Name puts the name of the button. Font defines the font size and font style of the text to be displayed. Text defines the text which appears on a button. Events. Event description. Click. When a button is clicked, this event gets occurred. Creating a VB application. To create an application using VB 2019, follow the below steps. 1. First, build an user interface by adding controls on the form. 2. Now, set the properties of the controls. 3. Lastly, write codes for various events of controls placed in form and run the application. Below is the simple example given for adding a label control on form. 1. Firstly, locate the mouse pointer on label control in the toolbox. Hold down the left key of your mouse and drag it to your form. 2. Now set its various properties. Here we change its text property to Hello VB 2019. 3. Press F5 to execute the program. A form will be displayed on output screen having label showing Hello VB 2019. Executing a VB application. There are several ways for executing a VB application given below. 1. From the menu bar, select Debug menu and then select Start Debugging option from the list. 2. Press Start from the toolbar directly. 3. Press F5 from the keyboard. 4. To execute single line of the program, either select Step Into option from Debug menu or press F8. Creating a Windows login form. To create a Windows login form, perform the following steps. 1. Create a new project and then add 2 labels, 2 text boxes and 1 button on the form as shown in figure. 2. Now change the properties of the controls as given below. Form, text login form. Label 1. Text, username, border style, fixed, single, back color, active, border. Label 2. Text, password, border style, fixed, single, back color, active border. Text box 1. Text, empty, font, 14, bold. Text box 2. Text, empty, font, 14, password character, asterisk, bold. Button 1. Text, login, font, 14, bold. 3. Press F5 to execute the program. The output will be as shown below. Brain DOS. Visual Basic is an upgrade of DOS Basic. Event handling or adding a code. In the above created login form, we only design the application and do not perform any coding. To make the button work in the login form, you have to handle the event triggered by the button such as click, mouse over, double click, etc. Following are the steps to add code in order to handle the event. 1. First of all, double-click on the login button. It will open the code window as shown in the figure. 2. Add the code in between private sub button 1 underscore click and end sub as shown in figure. This code will execute when you click on login button while running your application. 3. Press F5 to run your application. You will see form on the screen. Click on the login button. You will get message box displaying hello. 4. Press OK to close the message. Creating an application to add 2 numbers and display their sum in another text box. Following are the steps to create an application. 1. Create a new project and add 3 labels, 3 text boxes and 1 button on the form as shown in figure. 2. Change the properties of control as given below. Form, text, my form. Label 1. Text, enter first number, font 14, bold. Label 2. Text, enter second number, font 14, bold. Label 3. Text, sum of numbers, font 14, bold. Text box 1. Text, empty, font 14, bold. Text box 2. Text, empty, font 14, bold. Text box 3. Text, empty, font 14, bold. Button 1. Text, add, font 14, bold. 3. After changing the properties, add the code for the click event of the button. Double-click on the Add button. Code window will open. Write the code as shown below. 4. Press F5 to run the application. You will see the form on the screen. Enter two numbers in text box 1 and text box 2 and then click on Add button. The result will get displayed in text box 3. Saving Visual Basic project. Following are the steps to save your project. 1. Select the project in Solution Explorer. In this example, we select Windows App 1. 2. Now click on File menu from menu bar. 3. Click on Save Windows App 1 as if you want to create a copy of an existing project. Otherwise, use Save Windows App 1. Save All is used to save change made in the entire project. 4. The Save As dialog box will open up. 5. Choose the location where you want to save your project and enter the name of the project in File Name text box. 6. Click on Save button. Closing a Visual Basic project. Following are the steps. 1. Click on the File menu from the menu bar. 2. Now click on Close Solution option. 3. A window appears asking Save changes to the following items. 4. Click on Save button if you want to save changes before closing the project. Otherwise, simply click on Don't Save. Closing Visual Studio 2019. Following are the steps. 1. Click on File menu from the menu bar. 2. Now select Exit option. You can also press Alt plus F4 to directly close Visual Studio or simply click the button at the top right corner to close it. Quick recap. Visual Basic is a third-generation event-driven programming language first released by Microsoft in 1991. It provides a graphical user interface GUI which allows you to modify code by simply dragging and dropping objects. Visual Studio is the IDE, Integrated Development Environment used for writing VB programs. The area of the IDE which displays a list of various files of a project is the Solution Explorer. Toolbox contains various tools which you can use in your form to design your application. Properties window is used to change the properties of various controls. Press F5 to run or execute your application.